Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First of all, let thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Because of this blessing, we are able to end this meeting. At this time, we will present about best management practice. Before we show our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Zaki Naufal as moderator. From the first turn will be given by the first presenter. Please.
My name is Rizkyani. In carrying out oil palm production, farmers should know a very important factor, namely the use of superior seeds. The results of successful oil palm production are those that have produced fruit with guaranteed quality and quantity. If farmers do not use superior seeds, they have a chance to lose up to 50% of production, so that this will have a major impact on the economy and welfare of farmers. The large number of farmers who still use seeds that are not superior and fake in cultivation makes productivity not optimal and will be detrimental for decades. In fact, oil palm has great potential if it is properly managed and developed.
My name is David Ahmad Fatah, name extend 04037. The again corrective that is at the time of fertilization. It must be practiced in determining what type of fertilizer is needed by the plant. Urea, if the plant is deficient in nitrogen, sp36. If the plant is deficient in phosphorus. If the wrong fertilizer is used, the plant with fertilizer will not be good. Dosis, opportunity dosis, namely when fertilizer is the dose. Give must be right or in accordance with the needs of the plant. The excess doses here is intended so that the doses that we give to plants is not too much or too little. If the application of a little fertilizer that plant still lacks the elements needed too much, of course, the plant will overdose and can become toxic. On timely here, that is when fertilizer is good and correct. It should be adjusted to when the plant requires more nutrient intake or at the right time. This is so that plants can grow and development optimal. Right place means that at the time of fertilization, you must pay attention to the place or location of the plant so that in can application fertilization appropriately. For example, the location of fertilization is at a high altitude and high wind speed, so it is not recommended to use fertilizer in the form of liquid and spray. Fertilization also pay attention to how fertilizers are processed on plants. This affects the result of plant absorption of fertilizer intake. Right way. The right way that is at the time of fertilization or way must be right. The wrong way of application of fertilization will make the fertilization wasted or wasted, be wetter and then treated so that it cannot be absorbed or captured directly by plants. For that, fertilization method must be right and right on target.
My name is Yumi Adlan Rambe. I want to reading text in slide limited land. Meanwhile, other laws governing the prohibition of clearing land by burning can be found in Article 26 of Law Number 18 years 2004 concerning plantations or plantation law. Therefore, we have to take advantage of the limited land with good management so that the maximum production result. Next.
My name is Irina Yuklarita Simanjuntak, and now I want to describe about harvest in BMP. Harvest of fruit at the optimum level of maturity, that is, when the first fruit benches contain the highest oil and kernel. Harvest on the ripe fruit and loose fruit. Send VVB to the mill within 24 hours after harvest. This is intended to reduce the free fatty acids content in palm oil, the free fatty acid content in crude palm oil. The harvest standard used between one company and another might differ. Ripe fruit benches must have at least one loose fruit on the plate as a sign that the fruit is ready for harvest. Fruit that are sprouted are cut and arranged neatly one each bars. Harvest rotation is maintained at 7 until 10-day interval of VVB, and loose fruits are neatly arranged at the TPH harvesting place. For transportation to the factory, the fruit stalk is cut and all bunches (TBS) are cleaned before transportation. Oil extraction 22 and ABL contain 2.
That's all from us. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.